the rope is so white here. See the snow? Perting pagkadaghan sa snow. Look at this last night. It's snowing last night. See?
About 3 inches.
3 inches. My goodness. Shovel na pod tani. Shovel la pala pala. Look at that, guys. So thick. So slippery too. So icy. And there is. The plants have no leaves now. There, the snow. There is the backyard. Snow. See the backyard snow, guys. So many. There is.
There's a dump truck.
And there's the dump truck.
Filled with gravel.
And there is the mountain there. Still dark.
We'll get another inch tonight.
Yeah, I think it's snowing there in the mountain. See the dark there?
Yeah, up top probably is.
Yep. And there is. Here's all white here. See the white.
Muddy.
Yeah, has some no grass. There he is. See, my garden is so thick snow now there. There is the mountain. So now you see the backyard. So far. Here guys, I want to show you the snow here. Have a lot of snow. There is the snow. See, all is white. White na white. There is. But still have sun there. Light up the sun. You see the sun? Where is the sun now? I cannot see the sun. There is the sun. This bright sun. But still dark because of the clouds. See? There is. Okay. There is. Small backyard. Any shovel. See? There is. It's melting now. There's the snow that we shovel. Look at that. A lot of snow. See? See that, guys? The snow. Oh my goodness. That's so mini snow. See the front, nice to make a snowman, but it's so cold. I not like so cold to make snowman. Good, that's it for today. Okay, bye-bye.